Good morning, you guys. What is up? So we have another nor'easter coming our way tomorrow. Yeah, a big snowstorm.
A big snowstorm of Easter,
Yeah.
summer, and spring for water.
And we are just about a week away from spring. So yeah, Mother Nature is gonna get us one more time before spring.
And Dunkin' Donuts and Dollar Tree, and we're gonna learn about Easter.
She just told you where we're gonna go. So I need to run into Hannaford before the storm tomorrow. So tomorrow's Tuesday, so more than likely her dance will be canceled. Even if it's not canceled, if the roads are too bad, I'm not gonna drive in it, so I will cancel it. But yeah,
to make the cars smell good of Easter, spring, and summer, and Easter about spring.
yeah. But anyways, we're going to Hannaford.
Glasses.
Yes. You ready to go?
Yeah, we might go to the water park.
We're not gonna go to the water park. The water park's not even open. But yeah, anyways, you guys, I'm gonna run to Hannaford. I gotta pick up a couple things before the storm. Yeah, and then she requests to go to the Dollar Tree, so I'm gonna let her go in there. It's been a little bit since she's been in there.
And then pick out some decorations.
You want to pick up Yeah, I wasn't gonna decorate for Easter, you guys, this year, but she asked about it, so yeah, I'm gonna decorate a little bit for Easter. I know I've gotten a late start with that, so but yeah, we're gonna decorate for Easter. I'm gonna let her put up some of the Easter decorations that I have already, and then she can go ahead and pick out a couple if she wants to at the Dollar Tree. But yeah, you guys, so yeah, those are just the two places. I'm thinking we're just gonna be home for the next 2 days. But yeah, you guys, I do like get some housework done.
Is the house dirty?
No, it's cluttered.
I'm some of toys that I've been playing.
I know, you've been playing a lot, you've been busy. But yeah, you guys, we're bringing you guys along with us. We are going to stop and get a coffee first because, yeah, we just are. Can I get a large caramel iced latte with cold foam?
Yes, large iced caramel latte with whole milk.
Yes, please.
Okay.
And can I get some cold foam on that?
Okay.
And then just one old-fashioned donut.
Okay.
And that will be it.
Alrighty, 808, thank you.
Thank you.
Donut.
Oh, honey, I'm sorry. Let me see. Let me see if they can switch it, honey. I'm sorry. You usually get your old-fashioned donut.
You forgot a sprinkle donut?
Huh?
You forget a sprinkle?
Well, you usually get an old-fashioned donut. That's why I got you that one. Did you want a sprinkle one?
Yeah. That could be a yummy flavor. That's a yummy flavor.
That'll be 808.
Hi, can I, she wants a sprinkle donut. I thought she wanted the old-fashioned donut. Is that, any,
Chocolate frosted, vanilla or strawberry?
vanilla frost is fine.
Yeah, that's fine.
So sorry about that.
Yep, it's alright.
What was that?
808.
Oh,
Thank you.
thank you.
Is that my sprinkle donut?
Yes, honey, hold on.
92, 1, and that'll
Thank
be
you.
right up.
Okay.
It's yummy. Yummy.
Alright, here's a latte for
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right, you ready?
Fine.
Never walked the street line. Oh, in my mind, you were a wild one, a red car.
at the Dollar Tree. That's what she picked out. Yay! Yeah, I told her she could pick out whatever she wanted. She got some Easter window clings, a Barbie.
No, it's not Barbie. It's just a little bunny.
No, you bought a Barbie.
I didn't.
Yeah.
Can you give me it? Can you open all of them?
Yeah, I didn't find anything that really caught my eye, so I didn't get anything in there. But I purposely went in there anyways for her because she asked to go in there. But yeah, so she got her recorder.
You got me a quarter.
It's called a recorder. Let me see. Oh, here she is. Okay, we are gonna run in
All of them?
all the stuff in here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is there? What is that?
It has her purse, her comb, necklace, and shoes. But yeah, we're gonna run over to Hannaford's, and I think we're just gonna go home from there. Oh, now I'm dropping things. I don't know. The Dollar. Oops, hold on. Sorry, you guys. The Dollar General is right next to Hannaford as well, so I might pop in there. I might not. I don't know yet. But yeah, we're gonna go to Hannaford first and get a few things before the big storm comes. It sounds like we're gonna be getting anywhere from probably about, they say 5 to 8 inches of snow, so I'm hoping it's on the lower side. I know the last one we had, Southern Maine, got it pretty bad. They got over a foot. But yeah, I'm hoping it's not
to say hi to you.
as bad as what they're saying it's gonna be.
Hi to you.
Hello, Barbie.
Say what's your name?
What's your name, Barbie?
Barbie.
Oh, Barbie.
That's her name.
But I'm more concerned of the wind because they're saying gusts up to 50 plus miles per hour, or yeah, wind gust. So yeah, losing power is likely, but yeah, hoping for the best. Yeah, but anyways, I'm gonna stop talking, you guys, and we're gonna go over to Hannaford, and here you go, baby, and possibly Dollar General. Let's see. I am looking for. Oh, let's see.
I'm cold.
I know. Yes. You got that?
Great Power, Jim Coleman, 450. Great Power is 450.
Put it right in. Just put it right in, honey. Okay. Do you want to get one more? You want to pick one more out?
Bagging home to the front.
How's that one? Is that one good?
Yeah.
Let me see. Maybe I'll go with this one. Alright, you guys, so as you guys just saw, she is in the living room putting the window clings that she got at the Dollar Tree on the windows. Yeah, I need to get in the kitchen though. I just put away the few things that I picked up at Hannaford, but I need to get some morning dishes done just from breakfast. Also, the floor in there could use a good wash today, so we're going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to try and get as much stuff done as I can before the snow comes tomorrow, just so we can just do fun craft stuff inside and I don't have to worry about just a messy house. So yeah, try and get everything done that I can today, which I think I can do. The worst part is mainly just the kitchen, and the living room needs to be picked up just from her playing in there. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and do that now. Our movie night is tonight. We usually do Monday night movie night every week. So yeah, I just picked up, as you guys just saw too, a Newman's pizza, and she has a cheese pizza. So yeah, try to get everything done so we can just relax this evening and for the next 2 weeks, because it sounds like it's going to be a really ugly storm. So yes, you guys, let's go ahead and tackle the kitchen. Alright, so before I start with the kitchen, I made her some lunch really quick. She requested some Campbell's Elsa soup and some broccoli and dip. Alright, you guys, I just realized that I am not cleaning my house in jeans. I'm getting some comfy clothes on. I try so hard just to stay in jeans all day, and I can't. I love my leggings, and leggings are the best, and that's why I own more leggings than I do jeans. Also, I normally don't keep Frozen posters in my room. I switched rooms with my daughter, so I haven't taken this down yet. So yeah, I recently just did that. I put her room over here, and I feel like she likes it better over here versus over here, because she would never, excuse my mess, you guys, I didn't even make my bed today. I feel like she didn't like playing in her room when it was over here, because it's more like tucked in, I think, and she couldn't see me. Versus over here, she plays in her room all the time, and that's because when I'm out in the kitchen and stuff, she can see me right there. So yeah, she wasn't crazy about having her room over here. She would just never go in it during the day. But yeah, I need to take this down too. We just switched like maybe not even a week ago. So yeah, I gotta take that down and put that on her door. I just tucked it over there. It's just like a little castle entrance, but you'll see when I take it down. And then I just need to move her poster really quickly, and then that's it. So yeah, I like my room better over here anyways, just because there is a little bit more room. Like I said, like when I first moved in here, I made that video. Let me turn you guys around. I made that video where the living room was supposed to be the master bedroom, and this right here, the room I'm in, was supposed to be the living room. And the room we have the living room in now, it was just too big of a room for a bedroom. It was ridiculously huge for a bedroom. So, but yeah, I just wanted something smaller. But anyways, we did switch, hold on you guys. But anyways, you guys, long story short, that is why there is an Elsa or a Frozen poster on my wall. But yeah, anyways, I'm back in the kitchen when I was supposed to be putting my leggings on. But anyways, you guys, I'm gonna stop talking, because now I feel like I'm just stalling from having to clean my house. Okay, let's get some leggings.
Saw you walking by today, with the sunset in your eyes. I couldn't find the strength to say what was running through my mind. You couldn't help but notice me, staring with that awkward smile from the other side of Thompson Street. I felt love for a little while, 'cause you looked beautiful in the sunset glow. In that sunset glow, you looked more beautiful than anyone I know, than anyone I know. You ended up falling for me, and to this day I don't know how. I think about it constantly. I promise I won't let you down. When I asked, you told me yes, to be in mine forevermore. All I can offer is my best, through the good and bad, through rich and poor. Oh, you look beautiful with that white dress on, with that white dress on. You look more beautiful than anyone I've known, than anyone I've known. You look beautiful. Oh, you look beautiful. You look beautiful with that white dress on, with that white dress on. You look more beautiful than anyone I know. You look beautiful, so beautiful.
Hey kid, never stop running. Breakbeat, a dream that's drumming on. In the backseat, we're humming, and we rise up with the setting sun. Climbing to see the view, right on the edge with you. Not afraid to fall. Here's to the ones who always find a way through the unknown. 'Cause we're willing to chase after our gold. Wherever we go, we find home inside the free fall. Never playing it safe is where we belong. Bright lights, fate is calling. Our time is coming up for us. You and I were made for trying. Realizing this is all we want. Climbing to see the view, right on the edge with you. Together through it all. Here's to the ones who always find a way through the unknown. 'Cause we're willing to chase after our gold. Wherever we go.
All right, you guys, it is the next day. Yeah, so we are just waiting on the snow to come. It sounds like it's gonna be a pretty nasty one. So yeah, we're just hanging out today. I did go this morning. I needed to get a new shovel, so we went and got that. Hopefully this is the last snowstorm, you guys, before spring. I'm kind of over it at this point. But anyways, you guys, I'm gonna finish some housework today. I need to get some lunch first for both her and I. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. I am drinking a Celsius just to kind of get me going a little bit more. Coffee didn't do a whole lot. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead, get some lunch now, and then get a little bit more housework done. All right, so she wants some chicken nuggets and French fries for lunch. So that's what we're gonna do. Which I need to get more of these when I get groceries because there's only a couple left. All right, and while hers is cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and make my lunch. I think I'm just gonna do some kind of chicken wrap with veggies, and I don't know. I'll get creative with something. But yeah, definitely feel like chicken for lunch with a wrap. All right, you guys, lunch is ready. I just cut up some cucumbers for my daughter and some fresh broccoli with some ranch dip and fries and some chicken dino nuggets, and it has veggies in this too. And then for myself, I just made a chicken wrap with some mixed greens and yellow peppers and some cucumbers and also some ranch dip. And as you guys can see, the snow has started already. All right, you guys, it is just about 4:30. I need to figure out what we're gonna do for dinner. I think I'm just gonna make some kind of like butter pasta or something for her. She doesn't really like tomato sauce or anything like that, so I might do that with like broccoli, and maybe I'll fry up a steak or something. I don't know. We'll figure something out though. But I think she definitely wants pasta, because at first she said macaroni and cheese, but she had just had macaroni and cheese. Yes, well, no, I guess it's been a couple days since she's had her macaroni and cheese. But anyways, I'm just gonna do the butter pasta for her dinner. And then it's really coming down now, you guys. So I'm thinking before bed, I might go out and shovel a little bit. I don't know. I might wait till tomorrow morning. But if there's quite a bit, I'll end up just doing it tonight. I do like to shovel because it is a workout. So yeah, I might end up just doing that this evening. But you guys, anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get some dinner now. Alright, you guys, so I have been thinking about starting a new channel. I'll always have this one, so I'm not going anywhere on here. But this will always be my main channel. But I want to make just a new channel that focuses just on my health and fitness, wellness. Yeah, I'm just trying to get in the best shape possible for my daughter. So I'll be around for, you know, for years and years and years. But most importantly, I want to just be healthy for me, mentally, physically. Yeah, I want to be healthy. And you know, I've gotten so much support on my main channel and so many DMs, that especially since I have been separated from my husband and I shared that video, I've gotten so many just private messages, just, you know, with their own stories of separation, and just that support, you know, that I can do this, I got this, and that means a lot to me. Sorry. Alright, you guys, I had to step away for a second. Yeah, so I got so much support, and you know, I feel like having that second channel, with all the support I have from you guys on this channel, I feel like with the second channel will really just motivate me to just want to do better with my, you know, my weight loss journey. And yeah, I'm, like I said, you guys are so supportive over here that I feel like I can, you know, do it, just, you know, with all the support I get from you guys. So yeah, that was a big reason why I wanted to do a second channel. And then maybe, you know, one day when I, you know, get to where I want to be physically and more importantly mentally, I can, you know, encourage and motivate somebody else who is, you know, where I'm at right now. But so anyways, you guys, I will be making that second channel more than likely probably sometime this week. I need to get this edited though and get this on my channel before I make my new channel, just to get this done. But yeah, you guys, I will, if you guys are into that, the health and fitness and all that, I will have that channel linked when I do get it up in my description box in one of my next videos. It won't be this one, but probably my next one. But yeah, you guys, anyways, I have a little girl in the living room right now, and we're gonna go color and play some Play-Doh before we get ready for bed. So I am gonna go ahead and end this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.